Hey there guys, let me show you how to make this fantastic PowerPoint template in just 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open up a blank slide, go to Insert tab and insert a table of 5 rows. Now you have to move it to the bottom of the slide, go to Pencil Color and change its color to white, go to Shading and No Fill and go to Borders and inside Vertical Border. Now you have to increase the size of the table and you have to go to Insert tab and Pictures and add a picture from your device. So I'm using this picture. You have to fill the slide up with the picture. So increase its size, right click on it and send it to the back. Now you have to select the border and the table and increase its size and you have to put it into the center. Now you have to move it to the right side and add your text. And select the text and move it to the medium by these options. Now you have to put it into the middle of the template and move it to the bottom. Now add the other text. There you go, I have pasted it. Go to animations and select the picture and give it animation of zoom. There you go. Subscribe.